Hi, Justin Lobato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the Diamondite Glass Sealant. Now, there are some great benefits to this product. One, you get up to 30 applications on your windshield. That's huge in a bottle like this. So this will allow you to do your windshield multiple times, or if you have multiple vehicles, to put it on those windshields as well. However, this product's other benefits is gonna give you a very, very slick surface. So that's gonna eliminate wiper chatter and wiper skipping, and then also having a very high repellency, also known as being hydrophobic. So that will help in all inclement weather, whether it be here in the Sunshine State with our rain, or in more the northern side of the states with a lot of the snow. One of the big benefits I like about this product is it gives you up to 6 months worth of repellency characteristics on your windshield. Let's talk application process. Super simple with this product. You could just easily spray and wipe the product on and off. Or what I like to do is actually take a microfiber applicator, spray it directly to the applicator for better product management so I don't overspray on anything, and wipe it on, then wipe it off. If you want to take this product to the full potential and to the next level, you're going to want to use the Diamondite Glass Polish. That's going to allow you to have full potential of bond, because then you'll be able to polish away any contaminants and light road film that are on the glass that a basic wash cannot handle. That will allow for this product to give you that full 6 months worth of hydrophobic repellency characteristics that you're looking for when, again, you're driving in any type of inclement weather. For more information about Diamondite Glass Sealant, visit Autogeek.com.